What do you think, Pete?
I like the beard.
I'm gonna go out with my new jacket. You got dog.
Amazing?
Yeah!
How amazing that we get to have them here with us at Renton, right? I want you to know our special guests are very close to being here, but I want to tell you something. These folks were up in Everett 2 days ago, and they heard some pretty amazing things up there, and they were overwhelmed because of how great the employees were and how much they screamed and cheered and were loud and supportive. And you know what I said when I was on the phone? I said, you know what? You guys haven't been to Renton. Seriously, I did. I said, you guys have no clue until you come here what this is really all about. So right now, I want to hear you guys make the loudest noise. I want you guys to wake up anybody and everybody over there on that water. On the count of 3, tops of your lungs. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
we go, guys.
Welcome. This is not our average workday. Good morning. I'm Beth Schreier, and I am here on behalf of Beverly Wise, who is traveling this week and is very sad to miss this event. As you can see, as you know, we have some very special guests today to talk with us about winning teams. There's a special mental attitude that makes teams winners, able to pull together, focus on a goal, and achieve it. We all saw this with our own Seattle Seahawks during the Super Bowl. Louder, come on!
Hawks! 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 Hawks!
We really appreciate your support. We've heard about you guys' sacrifices for each other and for this company. We saw your teamwork in there. Totally amazing what you guys have done and what you do, and just making us feel comfortable in our planes. So I want to say thank you. I live right here in Renton, so I hear the planes coming through. You guys got an excellent view here. I hope you continue to work hard, and I'm just happy to be a part of this, man. Thank you for having me.
MVP! 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 MVP!
What a highlight. I don't think I have ever been kicked off the stage by the Seahawks. Awesome. Yeah, Cliff's here too.
Speaking, but I'm just happy to be here. You know, we like Michael said, we walk through your facility. We see that, you know, to make a plane actually, you know, to put one together, it takes a lot of teamwork, and y'all y'all definitely defined that. You know how quick y'all get these planes out, and you know, airplanes clearly are a big deal in our country as far as for traveling or whatnot. And so y'all have a lot to do with it, and you know, it's just cool to see it. And like my man said, you know, we're gonna try to beat San Fran, of course. And for us, of course, the objective is to repeat and bring another.
Repeat.
Back to back.
You guys are awesome. We are here to celebrate winning teams, the Seahawks and the 737. And we have a team here today, the 737 Engineering Tiger team, that exhibits winning team day in and day out on the job. They came together to investigate the cause of an accident that happened during flight control rigging right here in our factory. They found solutions and got them implemented fast. Adjustments to plans, tools, drawings, measurements, and procedures that could have taken years, they executed in just a few days. Then they went a step further, identifying other hazards on flight control rigging and landing gear rigging and functional tests. Now that is a winning team. Let's give them a hand too. Now I'd like to introduce the man who made this event possible, personally involved, our own Mr. Ray Connor, the President and CEO of Boeing Commercial Airplanes.
You know, I started in the factory just right over there in that building, very far, that paint hanger right over there. I used to spend a lot of time right here. You know, I don't think I've seen this many people here since a rollout, but it's quite a day. And a great day for the country, D-Day today. So a special thanks to all our veterans. You know, I do want to just take this opportunity because, you know, I don't get a chance to, you know, talk to as many people as this, and just say thank you. Thank you for everything that you do every day. You guys, you never cease to amaze me, the things that you do. I've been here for 37 years, and I've watched it over and over and over again, and particularly here in Renton. You are an amazing, amazing machine and an amazing group of people that produce the finest airplanes in the world, bar none. So thank you. You know, Beth talked about the teamwork, and I got to tell you, there are just so many things that are similar in terms of how the Seahawks function versus the way we function. It's about commitment. It's about continuous striving to be, you know, better every day. And when Pete talks about competing, and that's the core of their philosophy is competition. What he really means to say there is striving to be better every single day, piecing together, you know, being better tomorrow, being better in another week, a month, a year, all the way through. And that's what this team did, that's what you do every day, and that's what I wanted to say. Thanks again for everything that you do. So, thank you. Now, there is an individual that wanted to be here. I've spent some time with him over just down the way here, and but he was down in LA for a Better LA event last night. I do think he made some interesting comments, though. He said, you know, Jim Harbaugh's a great coach. We love to beat him. So, and you know what? Airbus is a great competitor, but we love to beat them too. So, I tell you, I really love to beat those guys. I mean, that's just that's everything I live for. But but I want to show a quick video. If you can see it, it's great with a special message from a very special guy. So let's roll the video, please.
Hi, Boeing team. Pete Carroll, head coach of the Seattle Seahawks. We appreciate all your support during the Super Bowl season. We love seeing the 747 flying, and we love flying Boeing planes. Thanks for taking care of us.
Your Seahawks, Super Bowl XLVIII champions.
Yeah! The best we can be, and we know that you all do that too. But we all know it's not about what we've done, it's about what we're going to do next. 1, 2, 3, what's this? We compete every day to do things better than it's ever been done before. We know you do that too. Competition is about striving for something, not against something.
It's never about them, it's about us.
Think about connecting with that thought. How can you be the best you, and how can you help Boeing be the best it can be? As a team, we ask, what's next? At Boeing, could you ask, what's next? Could you say, how can we do things better than it's ever been done before? Congratulations on your success. We look forward to seeing you next season. Go Hawks.
Okay, we have two employees that are going to make some little introductions here. First, I'd like to introduce Tom Small. Tom is the 737 primary flight controls team leader here in Renton, and he's also a member of the safety team that Beth mentioned earlier. And then Ashley Barland. Ashley's an EHS safety specialist for the 737 program and currently supports final assembly flow days 6 and 7 and the quality assurance organization. So Ashley, come on up. Okay.
Still wearing safety.
Well, this is a lot of people. A lot of excitement. So, thank you, Ray, for that introduction. It's my pleasure to introduce, well, like he needs an introduction, Seahawks defensive lineman Cliff Avril. Okay, well, just in case there's anybody out there that doesn't know all about him, I have a few of his stats here to talk about. So Cliff signed with Seattle as an unrestricted free agent last year in March. So before that, he spent 5 seasons in Detroit, logging 161 tackles. Yeah, it's in the script. I got to do it. So there he logged 161 tackles. 119 of those were solo tackles. Yeah. And 39.5 sacks. Yeah. So those are pretty impressive accomplishments. Yeah, a powerhouse, yeah. So last year, Cliff played mostly in passing situations for the Hawks, recording 20 tackles. 14 of those were solo, 8 sacks, and 5 forced fumbles. I think they like you, Cliff. Cliff was a starter for Super Bowl XLVIII and recorded 3 solo tackles, 2 passes defensed, and 2 quarterback hits. One of those hits you might remember forced Peyton Manning's interception. Which gave Malcolm Smith the opportunity to return that 69 yards for a touchdown. Great winning contributions to the team. Thank you, Cliff.
Again, thanks for having us. You know, I'm definitely happy to be, you know, a part of this. I just got married. I'm sorry. I lost my train of thought. Thank you. Well, again, I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to be a part of this. I'm very grateful and fortunate to be a part of the Super Bowl run. And again, the objective is to get that repeat and bring another championship to the Seahawks.
All right, thanks. Well, I think the next person needs no introduction as well. But Malcolm Smith. Come on, guys. Malcolm has been with the Seahawks since 2011. He was originally drafted in the 7th round of the 2011 NFL Draft. Malcolm started in 11 of 43 games. He has played with Seattle. And during his career, he has recorded 72 tackles, 44 of them solo tackles, 2 sacks, 2 interceptions, and 1 interception returned for a touchdown.
Yeah.
During the Super Bowl, he recorded 9 tackles, 5 of them solo, a fumble recovery, and the famous 69-yard interception for a touchdown! And not to mention, he was named the MVP for the 2014 Super Bowl. Amazing!
MVP.
Malcolm also was instrumental in ensuring Seattle went to the Super Bowl. He caught the Richard Sherman tipped ball at the end of the NFC Championship game, which clinched the victory for the Seahawks. Need I say more? Give it up for Malcolm Smith.
I was fortunate to be named MVP, but I'm part of a great team. You know, that's helped me with my opportunities, and you guys are another great team, and you guys depend on each other to come be successful every day. So continue to work hard and go Hawks. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys did a great job. You know, it is about teamwork, and we've got a great team here down in Renton, and you know, we do it every day, and we get better every day, and we go compete, and we win, and you know, we're going to take it to the competition. I can guarantee you that every single day. So let's keep that up. But before we go, I want to give a little gift. I want Ashley and Tom, could you give Malcolm and Cliff these little models of our I'll tell you a little story about this. You know, our team up in Everett, we had this 747 kind of just sitting around doing a little, but